Okay guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. So today we're doing NCT miles in Hocking Hill State Park. So we parked over the trailhead, looped around, and came back to here, which is actually the entrance if you're going down into the cave system for the main section.
The Upper Falls.
Yeah, the Upper Falls entrance. So come with us, we're gonna run through these miles. Probably won't be much, like 6 or 7 maybe. And check out all the waterfalls as we go. Pretty place. Got here early enough on Sunday, there shouldn't be too many people. If you come here on late, in the week, or if you come here to Old Man's Caves early in the morning, you'll have a lot less people to deal with. A lot less. And it makes the trip way more enjoyable. Sometimes if you come here in the middle of the day on a Saturday or Sunday in the prime of season, it's terrible. People everywhere. But one good thing about this place is you'd be surprised. There's not a lot of bugs here. It's always been that way. I don't know why.
Okay, so trip's going really well. We got out here early enough. We've passed a few people, but it hasn't been terrible. Temperature is great today. Great day for hiking. Not too humid, which I expected it to be. But one thing I have to say is if you're trying to get Buckeye Trail miles or NCT miles, you couldn't find a prettier place than this. That's for sure. All right, so we're in this section between Cedar Falls and Ash Caves. I hate this section. This section is my least favorite of the whole trip. Down in the bottom, you get the coolness of the rocks and stuff like, or the rock croppings and stuff like that. But if you want quiet and a nice trail to be able to walk without running into tons of people, this is the section to hike. And it is shaded, so that's kind of nice. It's a nice wide trail.
Yes.
Until we get further up here. And you get to see the fire tower, which I'll show you later.
No, no, no. Poison ivy. No, no. Okay, so we're at Ash Cave now. Busy place, but really pretty. Ceilings are massive here.
Beautiful. The birds are perching up in the holes in the walls.
Yeah, big giant pigeons looks like, and other birds are perching up in the holes. So it's nice to just come and look at the birds too. Place is massive.
Alright guys, so we are at Ash Cave's parking lot. So yay, we're done. We actually already did these miles earlier in the year. We did it out and back. So I think we did it like 14 miles last time.
Yep.
But Tony wanted to make us do it again. That way we can say we did it actually for the NCT challenge. Because at that time I don't think we had actually signed up for the challenge yet.
Yep.
So this is the way we did it for the challenge. We got a total of 7 miles today, 5 yesterday, 9 in Manistee. So I think we're up to like 24 if I'm doing my math right.
We had 14 yesterday and we added 7 today.
Oh, so 21.
Yep.
21 miles. We gotta get to work. We have 79 more miles to go this year. But it was a really nice hike.
Good day temperature wise. It couldn't have been any better.
Yeah, temperature was great. And if you start early, you don't run into the crowds near as much. And as you've seen, some sections were really great because from Cedar Falls to Ash Caves, you really don't run into a lot of people. So, really nice hike. Tony likes that section. I don't like it as much. But if you want the waterfalls and stuff, the beginning is the best.
Yeah, and the thing you got to understand is we skipped Cedar Falls because of time interest and staying on trail. So we'll
Cedar Falls isn't on the trail either.
Yeah, but it's a good hike. We're going to do it again, get some more miles down the road. Until next time, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy.
And we'll see you in the next one.